Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how you can create a weather app in easy way. So you can see this is the weather of the Chandigarh and it shows me the weather of 3 days. So 28th October, 29th October and 30th October, and you can see it also provides me the location as well as the coordinate systems of the city. So how I have created this app, it's very easy. So for that, just open a notepad and just type at the rate echo of and then type curl and then wttr.in slash your city name and then enter pause. So it's very easy, just 3 lines of code at the rate echo of curl curl wttr.in slash your city name and then pause and go to the file, save it as any name dot bat. So save it as file name dot bat. Okay, and then when you save it, just double click on the app and you can see the weather information of the city which you have provided. It's very easy. So let's try another city. Just change the city here, and now let's say I am entering new city Delhi. Just save it and then double click on this, and you can see it is showing me the weather report of the city Delhi. You can see it is showing me the weather report of Delhi city. So this way you can find the weather of any city on the note with the help of notepad and creating a batch file. That's all. Thank you for watching.